Alright, let me make sure this thing is on the right way, because the last time, this is like my second take today. Yeah, this is definitely like my second take. I don't know what happened the first time, bro, I'm not gonna hold you, but the camera was not working, and I was talking for an hour for no reason. So now that the camera is working, I can finally talk. Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy, Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya at top. What is going on, everybody? As you guys can see, I am kind of late with this video. I got my explanations why. I told y'all already. Y'all know that I'm working a new job, bro, and y'all got, look, I don't know how many times get me to 100K so I can quit my job. When I hit 100K, I'm quitting my job. I don't like working, bro. A lot of y'all don't know I work. Yes, I work, and I hate it. Okay, so get me to 100K, I quit my job, and we never talk about this again. Anyway, I'm late because it's like 2, 3 in the morning, just got off work, and I seen that the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe has officially did an exclusive access to the shoe. Now, I'm going to keep it a buck with you. Okay, the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe was something that I kind of was like, I don't know about, because obviously we all know that everybody that see that colorway, the white, blue, the black, we just want fragments. If they can bring the fragment Air Jordan 1 back, everybody be happy. But instead, you feel me? They out here giving game Royals, and now they giving out Royal Toes. Yo, bro, what a frags at? That's some dog, yeah? Nobody knows, and I doubt we ever will get them. So the Royal Toes has exclusive access. Like I said, I'm late, so some of you probably might notice, some of you might not notice, but regardless, if you don't know, I need you to check your app right now, because even though they gave out exclusive access, everyone was not able to buy them right away. If you did get exclusive access, it doesn't actually kick in until tomorrow, which was kind of like today, because I'm going to be dropping this video today. So we're just going to say today, and by the time I drop this video, I think the exclusive access will be out, because it's like from 9 a.m. to 12 in the afternoon, and I'm going to probably post this video around like 3 or 4 o'clock, so it's probably going to be after. So congrats to all my people that won, and if you did win and you see this video, then comment down below and let me know that you won. So congrats to you, bro. Like, hey, good dub. I was not chosen to be exclusive access. I don't even know what the criteria is for you to be exclusive access, and that's what I want to talk about. Does anybody know what allows you to be? Is it completely random? Because I hear stories like it has a lot to do with how many shoes you buy or how many times you bought from the site, and it's like, if that's true, it's kind of tricky, because I would buy everything on the website. I never win. You know what I'm saying? Like Sneakers app is not like that type of place. It's not like a Foot Locker. You can go on Foot Locker and buy whatever, okay? Socks, shirts, whatever. Sneakers app, you can only buy what you win. Like, you can only buy the draws that you win. You can only buy the shoes that you get in line and win for. So if you only showing love to the people with the most stuff bought, it's all about luck anyway. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, I would buy it, but I can't win. And I know we can all buy like the general release stuff that be on there that you can buy out of them all, but like that stuff is not even worth buying online. So if they doing it like that, they need to change that. But if they doing it just like completely random, I mean, at the end of the day, you got no problem with that. It's fair, okay? It is fair. However, I'm not really bummed out by these. I will be getting these in, so if you're looking for a review, definitely hang on, subscribe to the channel, and also smash the like button and the notification bell so you know when that video is coming. But as I was saying, they did do exclusive access on these Air Jordan 1s. A lot of people are excited about it. We rarely get white, blue, and black Air Jordan colorways. It's actually very, very slim. The only ones I can think about other than the fragments are these, and if there are others, man, it's just not coming to mind. It probably is others, but like I said, it's not coming to me at the top of the head. Now, I was at work and I was just, you know, chilling, and I got that J23 app that I tell all y'all to get. If you don't have J23 app, you need to get that. It alerts you and it lets you know all of the things Jordan brand, whether if it's a shock drop, restock, any rumors, anything that you need to know about a sneaker release, especially if it's Jordan brand, they got all the information. So this shoe is actually not set to release until May 9th. For the retail price, of course, of $170. But like I said, you get exclusive access, which is tomorrow, so you get a chance to buy them in April. Now, from what I'm hearing, even though you do get exclusive access, it's still like a window for you to buy them. So I definitely won't take your time and just wait till like 12 o'clock and buy your shoes. I would still get up early. If it opens up at 9, I would tell everybody to wake up at 9 o'clock and try your best to get your hands on your pair, because the last thing you want to do is be out here slacking, be out here sleeping, and now you without a sneaker. So just a quick little advice to everybody who watching. Look, if you do have exclusive access. Do not wait till the last minute to buy these. Just jump up and do what you got to do. Also, I'm not sure how they gonna do shipping. It's weird, right? When it comes down to Nike right now, their shipping is very, very weird. They're taking a long time to get stuff to people. I said this on numerous Adidas videos. I was just like, yo, Adidas is getting their stuff out ASAP. Every Yeezy that I've bought has came in less than 3 days. I think they're taking advantage of this. They like, some people stepping back. I believe that they stepping forward. They're trying to actually bridge the gap and just do better customer service than Nike right now. I ain't gonna hold you. That's just what it's looking like. Whether it's true or not, I'm not gonna debate that. But if anybody in here has bought anything, because Kanye has been dropping a lot of stuff. So if anybody's in here bought anything in the last 3 weeks, they've been shipping like next day, bro. I'm not like, golly. So just keep in mind, if you do hit for these varsity toes, then it might be a small delay on shipping, because we all got messages from Nike when they dropped the Fire Red 5s that the shipping will be kind of behind because of the coronavirus. But I mean, other than that, that's pretty much it. Just an update video telling you guys what's going on. I know I'm late, okay? I know I'm late, but still, man, if you came to the channel, then I appreciate you for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I give a lot more info and a lot more how-to type guidance on my social media platforms, so make sure y'all follow me. And other than that, man, I'm up out the way, man. Make sure you smash the like button. Today's video was quick, fast, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. But I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.